Ruby and I have been here for a full week since Wednesday, and thanks to this guy right here, Rodney, that brought us over, and George from Southdown in Adelaide, and we were here for Brunswick car show over here this past weekend, and then where he was at, and then this weekend coming we're going down to Adelaide for the Dirty Devils car show. We've had a blast here. This guy's taking us, him and his wife Di, awesome people, have been taking us everywhere. We got to see a lot of cool places, a lot of cool shops, and we're just having a blast. But it's freezing ass out, man. Okay, I feel like back in Chicago in around October, November time right now. So, but anyway, we're having a blast here. And the question I have to ask you is, where does 4130 come in play? That's what
4130 is the metal code for chromoly steel.
Oh, okay, there you go.
We were sort of like tossing up a few ideas on what name we were going to name. And back when we were kids, if you had a BMX, it had to have 4130 on the down tube.
That's right, because I used to race BMX.
Yeah, so both me and Nick, BMX, growing up riding BMX, and both of us, our pin code on our phone was and still is 4130. So we were like, you know, Toowoomba the Rod and Custom was obviously already taken by Warren Wilkie, so we were tossing names back and forth, and I was like, what about 4130 Customs? And we were like, yeah, it's kind of cool. Like, people don't really know what it means, but we know what it means. I feel like the whole generation of younger hot rodders coming through now, they're all sort of that BMX, they're of that BMX age where they were riding chromoly bikes and had to ride chromoly bikes.
Exactly.
That whole mid-school BMX.
Well, I have to tell you, you got a bitch in the shop here, man. This is badass. You guys do nice work on all the traditional hot rods here. Probably going to see more hot rods in one place here as being traditional cars. So I give these guys credit for what they're doing here. And again, I'm from 10,000 miles away. And in my shop, you don't see this, you know, from where I'm at. You may go out of town somewhere, farther out, like State Over you may, but where I'm at, you don't see a shop full of hot rods.
It's really, really important to us that we build period correct hot rods, traditional style hot rods. Someone comes to us and says, hey, we want a jag rear end or you know, independent front end. We're not the shop for that. We're like, we'll take one out and we'll put a straight axle back in there, you know, get a certain style of car so people look at it and go, hey, that's a 4130 car. Like, we're really pushing to make sure people know that that's one of our cars. You know?
That's awesome. Very cool. Well, keep up the nice work, brother. You guys are awesome here. And I want to thank you for having us here at your gig tonight.
Thank you so much for coming. Thank you for Rodney for bringing it over.
This guy here, he's been the best. And
he's great for hot rodding in Australia. In the custom car scene.
Yes.
Rodney really does do a lot for that. So it's cool.
He does. And I'm happy to be here too because of this man right here. So, and thank you, Rodney, for having us here too. And we're enjoying it. We'll be here for about another week till we have to go back to Chicago, and we're just having the greatest time. This is a memory that will live on forever, as long as I'm around still, you know. So thank you again for doing the interview, and it's really cool, really cool.
Awesome. Thanks for your time.
Thanks a lot, brother. I appreciate it, man.